Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay guys, so today I wanna do some problem solving about why we don't like reading. This topic I choose because I analyze and identifying some problems that happen in our society is we not almost but some of us do not like reading because of some reason maybe. So the first is when you the last time finish a book. But for me personally, last time I finished a book is last week. I read a book by George Orwell, and the title is Animal Farm. But nowadays, most of us spend more time scrolling through social media than reading. For many people, reading feels just boring, just like homework. But in reality, reading can give us knowledge, improve our focus, and even help us to relax. And then why some people do not like reading? Many people do not like reading because they see it as difficult or a boring method. More nowadays, people more over like smartphones, playing some games, scrolling endless video, and others with their phone. And distractions are everywhere and often feel more fun. Busy schedule also make people feel like they do not have time to read a book. And readings for some people feels like bring back the homework memory from school, like which makes it feels like an obligation instead of something enjoyable. And if the habit wasn't built since childhood, reading can feel unnatural and even intimidating. And then why reading is important? Reading is not just about finish a book, but it's about what we get from the book. Reading expands our knowledge and vocabulary, which help us to communicate better, and it also trains our focus and memories, something that's hard to build in a world full distraction. And beyond that, reading can reduce stress. Yeah, reading can reduce stress, same like your phones and your media social for some people. And stories also allow us to see life from different perspectives, building empathy and understanding for others. And then how we can start to make a reading become a habit. So you do not need to read a novel or even a scientist book. You can start from reading some comics or some newspaper or some magazine. A reading habit start just from a small thing. You can start it from reading some comics like Detective Conan or even others comic. And you don't need to finish the book immediately. You can have your time by just 5 to 10 minutes reading book a day, and pick books or topics you enjoy so it feels fun, not forced. And maybe set simple goals like one book for a month. So if you buy new book, you not have to finish it immediately, but you can set one book for 1 month or 2 books for 1 month. And after reading became a habit, I think you can finish like 4 or 5 books a month. And this I have some featured book that maybe can be your first book to make you fall in love with reading. So the first is Atomic Habit by James Clear. This is the New York Times bestseller. Actually, this book is in English language, but if you buy in some conventional bookstore like in Gramedia or even in Blok M, there is the Indonesian version. So what about this book? This book is about teach how small things, but if we do it consistently, it can be a habit. And it gives practical tips to build a good habits and break bad ones, including how to make reading is a daily habit. So the next is a novel by the legendary writer is Paulo Coelho. This is one of my favorite writer, and the title is The Alchemist. Also, this book is the first edition. It's in English, but you can find it in Indonesian language. Me personally have one of this book in my home. Actually, my father's buy it for me, and this book is like a novel that's fun to read actually, and this is a story about following dreams and discovering your personal legend. It inspires readers to pursue their goals and reflect on life journey. And then next featured book for me is Can't Hurt Me by David Goggins. David Goggins is ex-Navy SEAL, ex-US Navy SEAL, and he created a book entitled Can't Hurt Me. This is a memoir about mental toughness, discipline, and overcoming limits. It motivates readers to push beyond their comfort zone and achieve more. One word that I remember for this book, Can't Hurt Me, it's the 40% rules. And the rules is sounds like this. If you tired doing something, that means you only use your body 40% of the limit. Or in Indonesia is, jika kamu merasa lelah, artinya kamu hanya memakai 40% dari kemampuan tubuhmu. Like that. Next is some, let's say, art book. The title is Still Like an Artist by Austin Kleon. This is a creative guide on finding inspiration in everyday life. It's encouraged thinking differently and starting creative project without fear. So most of these books is teach us to think out of the box or to think different from other people. And for the conclusion is, reading might feel boring or time consuming for many people, but the real issue is the lack of habit, not dislike. By starting small, choosing books that you enjoy, and making it part of your daily journey, part of daily life, reading can be fun and rewarding. Remember, even just one page a day, you can grow into a lifelong habit. Okay, maybe that's all for my presentation about problem solving, about why we don't like reading. Maybe only hear my explanation. Last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.